What's up, newest REV fam? Today's video is a big one because we're unboxing one of the most hyped retro sneakers of the year, the ASICS GEL Kayano 14 in cream and black. And trust me, let's talk about why these are special. The GEL Kayano 14 first dropped in the late 2000s as a high-performance running shoe built for speed, stability, and comfort. But fast forward to today, and ASICS has brought it back as a lifestyle sneaker, perfectly blending that retro Y2K aesthetic with modern-day comfort. And this cream and black colorway, absolute classic. It's clean, versatile, and goes with literally any fit. Whether you're into streetwear, athleisure, or just want a fresh pair of kicks, comfort. These aren't just for show. They still pack ASICS's legendary gel cushioning in the heel and forefoot, meaning every step feels like you're walking on clouds. The midsole has that chunky, aggressive look everyone loves, but it's also functional, with a trustic stability system to keep your foot locked in. And the upper? Breathable mesh mixed with synthetic leather, so your feet stay cool while still looking premium. Let's geek out on the details for a sec. Look at this metallic silver overlay. It gives the shoe that retro-futuristic vibe. The ASICS branding is clean but bold, and the lacing system? Super secure without feeling tight. Even the tongue and collar are padded just right for a snug, comfy fit. And can we talk about the outsole? Durable Ahar rubber with deep grooves for grip, whether you're hitting the gym or just walking around the city. I know some of you are thinking, are these actually good for running? Well, technically, they're lifestyle sneakers now, but they still have performance DNA. The GL tech absorbs impact, the midsole is flexible for a natural stride, and the fit, true to size with a roomy toe box. I've worn these all day, and my feet, zero complaints. So whether you're a sneakerhead, a runner, or just someone who loves comfy shoes, these deliver. All right, now the big question. Where can you get these? I copped mine from mulebuy.com, and let me tell you, they had the best price I could find online. Not only that, but they also have sales running on a ton of other sneakers. So if you're looking for a deal, this is the spot. Now, if you haven't heard of mulebuy, let me break it down. They're a cross-border e-commerce platform that connects global buyers with top-tier products from China and beyond. Think of them as your personal shopping agent. They handle sourcing, quality checks, warehousing, and even international shipping. And the best part? They've got over 1.8 million customers and a catalog of more than 1 million products, from sneakers to tech to fashion. So yeah, they're legit. What really sets mulebuy apart is their customer-first approach. They offer unlimited quality control photos before shipping, so you know exactly what you're getting. Their packaging is next level. Double boxing, bubble wrap, you name it. Plus, their support team is available 24/7 to answer questions. And if you're ordering multiple items, they'll consolidate your orders to save you money on shipping. That's a win in my book. Here's a pro tip for my sneakerheads. mulebuy has a Discord server where they drop a massive spreadsheet with over 10,000 plus trending products, including rare kicks, hype releases, and under-the-radar steals. It's like having a sneaker plug on the speed dial. I'll drop the link below so you can join the party. All the links, mulebuy's website, their social media, customer support, and that exclusive Discord server are waiting for you in the description. Go check them out before they sell out. All right, fam, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this unboxing, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we've got more sneaker reviews, deals, and unboxings coming soon. And comment below, what sneaker should I review next? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.